ഈ കറി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വേറെ ഒന്നും വേണ്ട. അയ്യോ, ചെമ്മീൻ എടുത്തുകൊണ്ടോ? എല്ലാം റെഡിയായി. ഇപ്പം കഴിക്കുമോ ആവോ? ശരി, തുടങ്ങാം. ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് ദിസ് കറി na, you don't need anything else. Now this is my mother's recipe and it's a mouth-watering dish. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. So our dish is Chemmeen Irumban Puli curry. Chemmeen chaaru. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients. Prawns adava chemmeen, grated coconut, Irumban Puli, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, shallots, green chili, whole red chili, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, and we have drumsticks. Okay, first we are going to grind some coconut along with some spices. Let's take a look at that. This is half cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of ginger, maybe half an inch, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of shallots. To this we are adding in 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. Let me grind this and I will come back. In the meanwhile, let's cook the prawns. Now here I have taken a handful of Irumban Puli. This is a handful of Irumban Puli. Now this is soaked in salt water, so I am using this, and this is cooked drumsticks. So just add little bit of turmeric and water and cook the drumstick. This is roughly about 1/4 cup of prawns. Add that to the mean chatti, water, just to cook the prawns. Some turmeric. Once this starts simmering, we will add in brined Irumban Puli and cooked drumstick. ഇത് നല്ല സ്വാദുള്ളൊരു കറിയാണ്.
സ്വാദോ?
കുറച്ച് ഉപ്പിടണം കേട്ടോ, അത് ഞാൻ മറന്നുപോയി പറയാൻ. Prawns have curled up. We will add in the drumsticks. Half a cup of drumsticks. To this we will add the yummy Irumban Puli. എന്ത് പുളിയാണെന്നറിയോ? Add like 1/4 cup of water. പരിപാടി കഴിഞ്ഞു. തേങ്ങ അരച്ചിടുക, അടച്ചു വയ്ക്കുക, താളി.
ഇതൊക്കെ
അയ്യോ മണ്ടത്തരം കുറെ കടിച്ചട്ടെ, സോറി. At this point I'm adding in 2 green chilies. I'm adding in few pieces of ginger. The coconut is ground and now I'm going to pour this into our chemmeen jar. ഉപ്പ് വേണം. ആഹാ, നല്ല എരി. Adding in salt. The salt is very less. I'm covering this and keeping it for like couple of minutes.
Isn't it already cooked?
Yes, it is already cooked, but still that simmering has to happen. Just couple of minutes, 2 minutes. That's it. Now that's what I'm looking for. Ee oru simmer. So it also becomes thicker. Transfer the chatti.
Chatti? Suresh Gopi.
Let's give a nice tadka to this Chemmeen Irumban Puli curry. I'm not giving any measurements for the coconut oil. ധാരാളം ഒഴിക്കുക. Mustard seeds, some shallots, a tablespoon of shallots, ചെറിയ ഉള്ളി. Now let's break some whole red chilies. And curry leaves. ഈ കറി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വേറെ ഒന്നും വേണ്ട. Okay, those of you who are staying abroad, I know it is very difficult to get Irumban Puli. So, a quick fix for that is add mangoes instead of Irumban Puli. Try with mango or Irumban Puli and let me know what you prefer. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.